You're going to want to add these cross patterns on everything on site when you see how cute these turned out. This stencil pattern comes in 3 sizes, and today I'm using cross pattern small. Grab a pillow cover of choice and slip something waterproof inside. I'm using a stencil package. I'm just making sure the package is nice and flat so it doesn't leave any bumps on the pillow cover. Now I'm measuring to ensure the stencil is sitting in the exact center of the pillow cover. A couple of small pieces of masking tape will hold the stencil in place perfectly. I'm now prepping the stencil brush by dabbing the brush into the paint, then removing most of it onto a piece of reclaimed wood until the brush feels dry. This is so the paint doesn't leak underneath the stencil. I'm now tapping on the paint through the stencil until my desired intensity is reached. You'll find that stenciling fabric is quite easy as the paint tends to soak into the fabric, creating crisp, clean lines. To continue the pattern, simply lift the stencil, then reposition it, overlapping like-minded graphics along all 4 edges. Then continue to stencil until your pillow cover is complete. I'm now stuffing the cover with a feather insert, which makes decorative pillows positively scrumptious. They karate chop nicely too. And here's a side-by-side glance at the small, medium, and large. Aren't they the cutest? All 3 pillow designs look so good coordinated together. Just choose your colors and you'll have the cutest cross-pattern pillows in no time at all. I love them all, and I can't wait to get this pattern on other projects. Be sure to visit the full tutorial at Funky Junk Interiors for all the details.